Alright guys, this is a homemade tool that I made. Just some conduit, flatten it out, did some welding on here, piece to hold that in place, put the spring. The spring just goes in here. Actually, I gotta open this up first. So basically you put the, this is homemade, so it's really crude to look at. Tight fit too. Okay, so it goes in. You see how it holds the spring and it holds this piece there, and then I can just, it's going to take some finagling to get it to go in. So let's see if I can do this. Everything, I got to check my cans, just make sure they're still aligned. Okay. Wish me luck. See if I can put it in without breaking it. Alright guys, it took some finagling with this tool. The tool's not the best there is, but she's in there. She's in there, brand new shoe, ready to go another 20,000 miles. Cams are aligned, we're good. And that's it. It wasn't easy. The best thing to do is actually press out the cams. That way this whole assembly's out, and it's just so much easier to put it in. I don't have a press, so I'm just trying to do this as best I can without a press. But if I was to do this again, I would press out the cams. I would never do this without taking the cams out again. It's just too much. It's too complicated. There's too much pressure on the spring. And it's obviously dangerous. As you can see, I ripped my finger open on the cam. So it's not even worth it. For 10, 15 bucks to press the cams out at the machine shop, you're better off paying it. I gotta go fix my thumb. Sliced it open on the cam. And there you go. Hey guys, just wanted to tell you that I don't recommend anybody try doing that primary tensioner on your own like that. Even with the tool that I made, it was very difficult to put on. Now that I've experienced this, you're better off paying somebody 20 bucks, have the camshafts pressed out at the machine shop. Definitely save you a lot of time and probably some injury. As you know, I cut my thumb on the cams. It's not worth the 20 bucks you save. Have the cams pressed out if you're going to do this job yourself, and then put the tensioner back in, and then put the cams back on. It's just the best way to do it from my experience at this point in time. If I was to do it again, that's what I would do. Anyway, I hope this helps. The video helps you. If you're willing, at least you got an idea, you know, how to do it. The replacement shoes are actually, they look pretty good. I think they're going to last me a while. Only time will tell. I got about 54,000 miles out of the original shoes. So I'm going to see what we can get on these twin power shoes. Thanks for watching. As soon as I get the gasket kit and stuff, I'll do another video so you guys can see how it all goes back together. Thank you. Leave any comments, suggestions. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot.